place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone.
Hey, for this video, different route. So I'm gonna have a English conference here. We're gonna try to talk in English because I have a company here. Ambay, it's on my back. Go. This is the new route. If you watch the old videos, this straight ahead. See you there. And I will show you this route. You're gonna go to Jotsijärvi, Swan Lake. Let's go. And now this is the route that I'm telling you before. It's dito tayo tinuro pero meron pang isang route doon. Susunod na lang yan pagbalik. Ito na lang yung muna natin. Ito yung ruta na nagkakalsada, dadaan sa kalsada. English conference, hirapan ako mag-explain. So difficult to speak in English continually. So yeah, see you later there. Jotsijärvi. It's around 20-30 kilometers. So back and forth later, we're gonna hit around 60 going back. The wind, it's cold, but no, I wear my North Face, what do you call this, high vent jacket. Let's go here in Virenkorven Katun. Let's go straight ahead. Yeah. This is the highway. So this is the road, guys. Going Kulanti. This is Kulanti. We're still riding. Riding time 23 kilometers per hour. Wow, almost 24 kilometers per hour. Distance 4 kilometers. And time to destination, we have 58 minutes left until we arrive. If we continue to ride like this, but going to rest, plus the additional rest siguro around 1 hour and 30 minutes. So I'm just showing you the road here. Alright, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. You're right, let's go. Sarap mag-bike. Woo! If you can see the signage, guys, it's a elk or ellie area here. So they are living here around this area. Ellie, maybe elk, the big horns, yeah, the big. It's very delicious. In Lapland, that's their. Yeah, they can attack. Yeah, also. Yeah, no, they run. I think not that fast, but they are too big. It's like a dinosaur. They weigh around. It's like a hippopotamus. You know, they weigh around 500 kilograms, half a ton. All right, we're here in Pilhassu, still Kulanti. So let's go. I'm just showing you the long stretch of the road that we're biking. You know? Big shout outs to Pare Albert here. He inspired me to ride the bike again. Last time when he rode around 150 kilometers from Turku to my province here. So thank you very much for inspiring me again to ride the bike. I was very, very busy. So it's a humbling experience for us, for me, especially when I ride my bike. So thank you, Lord. God will always provide. All right. Yan ang view, guys. It's like, how do you call it? Pangasinan. Yeah. So we're still riding. Time to destination, 45 minutes until we get there. So we're running around 18 kilometers per hour. So that's fast for a first-time biker like Ambay. Again. Kumarga na, guys, kumarga. Dito na tayo sa Kokemaki. Woo! Ang sarap mag-vlog dito, guys. Magtagalog na muna ako, walang malayo naman siya. Ang sarap mag-vlog kahit magsisigaw ka, guys. Yun, alam mo yun dito, yung silence dito sa bansang ito. Silence is, what do you call that? Golden. Silence is golden, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna go Kula side here, left side. So right side's going to Kokemaki. We're going to left side. So we're gonna turn left. All right, see the road that we're passing through. No bike lanes because it's a countryside. So we just gonna go with the traffic, pero wala namang traffic. Very minimal ang sasakyan, and then they're passing through very wide or far when they pass through. This is the forest, guys. This is why silence here in this country is their national treasure. The silence, it's like national treasure for them. There's no small talks or something, just hi in there and straight to the point. If you want to say something, then say it. There's no chismis. All right, although not all, some still has. All right, so see you later there. We're gonna bike. I'm just waiting for my friend at the back from Utopia. Shout outs to all Utopia. I-scout lang natin siya, no, kasi camping site din siya, camping grounds. So once na makabila ako ng tent, at least malapit lang tayong bike packing tayo. Masubukan din natin mag bike pack, tapos luto-luto, kape pag gising mo ng umaga, kape ka sa nature, di ba? Try natin camping. Let's go camping. Whoa! Oh, we're here. Oh, we're here. We're here in Ulvilla. All right, Ulvilla side. Let's go. You can see the stretch of the road. It's too far, man. So if you're not a cyclist, you're gonna see it as far. How come? So this is the form of our exercise, right? Because here there's no basketball court or what. So we're just gonna ride a bike, you know, see different nature. See that one, the mossy forest, and forgot anything, everything. We just connect with the nature tripping. Let's go. See you there in, where is it? See you there in Juutsjärvi, Swan Lake, and then going back later. So we're gonna come back, I think, after lunch. We're gonna have a picnic there. Picnic na walang gamit. Yung picnic natin na ano lang, upo na lang tayo sa grounds. Susunod na lang yung ano natin, camping setup. So mag-invest tayo sa camping setup. At yun ang gagawin natin, bikepacking. Let's go. They passed by a local resident here. So he farming his land. I said, Moro. Let's go. See that forest? So, wow, it's a very thick forest, man. You're gonna be lost in the wild there if you're alone. It's a good thing I have a company. I have my friend here. Yeah. Small circles of friends, but they're real. Hindi na ako magsasalita, silent vlog na lang sana, ano? Pero mahirap din mag silent vlog kasi mag-edit ka rin ng ano, caption, yung mga subtitles. Going downhill, yeah, rock and roll, pasok.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
Here in my left side, left and right. I think it's man-made. We think it's a man-made lake. Here in Pilmaninti. So there's a car, pass it through. Oh, uphill, man. Kumakaway yung mga ano, guys, ahon. Kumakaway yung mga nasasakyan, kumakaway sila. Ahon, climbing. Masyado matigas. Baba tayo. Kumakaway yung mga nasakyan, guys, mga ganun sila. So, ibig sabihin, cyclist din yung mga yan. Big shoutouts to all cyclists out there. We're here in Suomi, cycling. Yeah. Thank God for everything. To God be all the glory. Let's go. So, straight away, downhill from here. Let's go. Oh, so we're here in Normarkukula. Yeah. Right side's going to Tampere. Left side's going to Pori. Okay. So we're gonna go straight ahead, and then there, I think there's a bike lane already going there. We're gonna go there. Just follow me. Follow me, everything is alright. Sariling ano. So from here, we're gonna pass I'm gonna go straight ahead first.
Go.
Straight ahead. Up. And then we're gonna have a U-turn there.
Okay.
U-turn. It's a sharp curve. Ah. Alright, nag-U-turn lang kami dun kasi sarado to. The wind so strong, as you can see. Oh, headwind. Pinag-gravel tayo, guys. We're in the gravel now, but we're close. We're around 12 minutes out. So this is a trail. It's better here, I think, but what if kung may kasalubong no? Ito na tayo, keep on your lane. We hope we don't flat here. It's gravel. So it's a trail. See you later, guys. Petiks lang dito sa trail. Oh, wow, what an adventure. Thank you, Ambay. Shoutouts, Ambay. Big shoutouts to my friend Ambay for accompanying me. Wow, see that? It's an adventure, man. Oh, the smell here smells like redwood. Wow, sarap yung pang barbecue, guys. Sarap ng amoy ng kahoy. Amoy pang barbecue. Alright. What a road. Hoy, lubak-lubak. Gravel. It's a loose soil. So we're gonna walk from here. Let's walk. It's an adventure, man. Welcome to Jason's life. I do it every time, man. Even alone, I do it before. We're riding here, lambot. It's so soft. Gravel biking. Oi! Oh, we're gonna walk.
Might be dangerous.
Mahirap na, baka ma-flat tayo, guys. Let's walk. Hoy, this trail. I think it's for 4x4s only. We're getting there. Adventure, guys. Pero ang pangit kasi nung malambot yung soil, and then matusok yung natin, gulong. Eh, babalik pa tayo 30 kilometers back. So we don't want to risk. Just ride it here. Sa pwede, ito pwede na. Oh, we're here. Yotsiyarbi. Alright. Tuloy ang trail. May tumusok dun sa gulong ko. Buti hindi tumagos. Kahoy. Ingat-ingat lang, guys. Ma-flat tayo. Balik pa tayo pa uwi, guys. Maganda pag may kasama ka mag-aayos, guys. Pag mag-isa ka lang at maghapon ako magagawa ng gulong dito, guys. it's rideable here already. Just look out for the woods, because the woods, it almost punctured my bike. Just pass carefully. Wow. Oh, thank you, White, for accompanying me. Okay pa rin to si White. Thank you, pare Albert. Muntik ko na itong i-post eh. Muntik na natin siyang i-post. Kasi akala ko maglilipat eh. Munti naman. Thank you, Lord. Alright. See you there in a little bit. Pero tingnan natin kung we can see eye in the sky, because the wind is so strong, man. Ha! Hui! Let's go. Yeah, the riding condition here, it's very bad. As you can see, there's a lot of wood, little branches of wood, that it will puncture your tires. So it's not advisable here to have a camp with our bike by next time. So we're just gonna visit here. And the wind is so strong. What do you think? We call it here or go straight ahead? We passed by a snake.
It's poisonous. Look at it. Barahos
Part of adventure, guys. We saw a snake, guys. Very nature talaga ang adventure na to. First time ko maka-encounter ng snake. Sana wag naman wolf and whatnots. And then from here, saan ba?
Straight.
No, it's straight. Oh, it's bikeable already here. Nice. Let's go.
What?
Here.
We are already there.
Yeah, almost. I say that the road, we can ride already here. Just keep here in the side. Look out for snakes. There's a lot of snakes here. I don't think that we don't know if it's poisonous or not. So, but we're close. I'm gonna have a little pack lunch and then go back. Let's go. What does it say? It's too steep, man. I'm gonna walk.
No, you can ride, but
No, it's slippery. I don't want. Can we?
slippery.
Okay.
It's country.
Okay. Let's ride it. Naka-hydraulics naman tayo. Tara, rock and roll! Pasok! Malali lang sa brakes. Kaya. Susungan natin yung Kenong Road eh. Kaya. Ganda dito, full shoes. Oh. Full shoes! Nice! We're almost there. At the end. Oh! Uy, it's slippery, this one. It's slippery, man. Uphill again. Tuwan-tuwan lang. Tuwan to! Ang daan. Ang kulit. Ang kulit guys. Thank you wife, thank you pare Bert. Shout out pare Russell, pare Alapre, Kuya Rick, Master Ian. Shout outs. Yotzi RV, yes they're here. Whoa, nice. We're here. Right here, Lonto Polco here. There's a trail here. It's showing me here. It's an adventure guys. Tumulo na yung sipong ko guys. Adventure. Yun lang, ingat lang sa snakes. Oh, see? It's a trail. Oh, dapat dito trail ano ka? Can we leave our bike here?
What?
We leave our bike here.
We need?
We leave our bike.
Really?
Yeah, we just walk.
Let's leave.
Yeah, let's leave it.
Is it?
Yeah, let's leave it here.
How can we get our place?
What? What place?
Don't forget
The.
let's stay over there.
Yeah,
Or
let's
let's stay together.
tie together. Alright guys, we're gonna leave our bike here. I mean, just have a little walk here on that trail. Let's go. Gonna bring my food. Wala pang trail talaga to guys. Ayan o. Dun pa tayo eh. We're still going there. We need to leave our bikes there. Adventure. Adventure. Adventure guys. Kita nyo naman, no? Forest, oh. Oh. Forest. Tulo na yung sipong ko guys. Alright, I saw this one in the picture. We're here in the ramp. You can see the ramp there. Yeah, very good. Very good, very good. Pwede na dito mag-swimming guys. Ganun na lang pala, no? Pwede pala. Pag sa summertime, ayun, I can see this one already before. The ramp. Yeah, left and right. It's like Boracay, guys.
No, it was written just to take it. It was slippery. Oh my god.
I need a thumbnail, wait. Let's go, continue. Big shout outs also to Get To. This one also is the what you're missing when biking, the adventure. Parang walang tao guys, kami ng tao dito guys, no? Let's go. Mag-live muna ako. Takits tayo sa Facebook Live. UJ's Adventures. Oh, there's another way here. I think it's the road. What that? May nakalagay doon na bear. Na parang ano. May nakalagay doon na signage. It's like a bear or something. See. Let's see. There's a road here. Kung diniretso namin yun, dito kami lalabas. Ito.
One eternity later.
We're here, guys, in Yotsijärvi Lake. See? Yotsijärvi. Paliparan natin to. Mamaya dun tayo para mas maganda spot. Let's go. Merienda muna. Pangresak pa bit. Ito na ang Yotsijärvi. Let's go. The water is so murky. A lot of wood and stuff. And it's so cold. So very cold. But the view, you can see the view. It's very peaceful. It's peaceful, man. Yeah. Nature loving. Ito maganda, palipad mamaya. Let's go. I'm gonna try this one, guys. This one food, what they call this one? From Utopia. Baso.
Yeah. Once you taste it, you can't stop.
But it's bland in flavor. No flavor at all.
You do.
It's like peanut butter, but not sweet.
It's not sweet, yeah.
It's bland in flavor.
You can make it sweet, but I don't like.
Yeah, good. But it's not for me.
Yeah, there you go.
It's not for me. So I'm gonna try this one, guys. It's a peanut from. Is this from Utopia also? Your food there?
Kolo. It's so called kolo.
Kolo.
Yeah.
This kolo is good for pulutan.
Yeah.
Beer match, you know, beer mat.
Use for pulutan.
Pulutan. Yeah.
Pulutan.
Pulutan. That's snacks. While drinking beer or something like whiskey. While drinking, you have to have food. We call it in our country, pulutan. Tututo na si Ambay is learning Filipino language from me. Pulutan. Let's go. Yan guys, even here you can set up camp here, I think. And this is the trail going there. and then until you finish the loop of this Yotsiyarvi Lake. Swan Lake in English. So you can have your camp set up here and waking up with this beautiful kind of view. See? So gusto ko camping. So next time, so what? And next time guys, dito tayo mag-set up tayo ng tent. And then when we wake up, pwede na tayo dyan maghugas ng mga kung anong hugasan, plato. Oh, yan ang view mo pa. Yan ang view mo pag makita mo. Oh, ganda guys. Diba? Nature. That's why silence is golden. Let's go. Thanks for watching guys. I'm gonna walk to the forest again, and we're gonna take our bike, and then going back home we're gonna drink some wine and Longkiro. Let's go.
Look at this. Oh. It's there, it's the wood. What if the rain made it too wet?
Of course.
It might sink.
Yeah.
But there is a metal, but I don't think it's...
Alright, and now we're going back to our bikes. Hopefully our bikes are still there.
Yeah.
We hope no one stole it. But I think none, because there's not a lot of people here. Only us and snakes and animals that we don't see. They're around here. Alright, let's go.
Approaching your bike, your bag.
Our bikes are still here. So let's go. Guys, thanks for watching here in Yotsiyarvi. I'm gonna go back. Wala mang butas. Oh, see, trail. Ganyan ang trail, ang laking bato guys. Hindi pa jackable yan kahit na naka full sus ka dyan. Wala yan. Walang kwenta yan. Kaya lakad. Alright, kita-kits tayo sa susunod na video. Thanks for watching. Keep safe. And don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Tinapay lang kinain namin guys. Parang bitin pero sakto lang. Kain na lang pag uwi. Yeah, thanks for watching. Ito na tapusin. Padyak na kami pa uwi, wala nang video yun kasi na-vlog naman natin yung papunta. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo itong trail na dinaanan namin pumunta dito. Adventure trail guys. So ganda dun. Ay hindi, mas maganda dito. Hindi tayo masyado nakapagkain in the sky at the wind's so strong, so we didn't take a lot. I'm not gonna risk. What if we go straight? Okay. Here. What if we follow this road? What do you think? So that we will not gonna walk. What if we follow this road? No. There's no way there. Let's go back. We follow this one. It's different path. There's no other way, I think. It's the only way. Oh, paghirapan muna namin ito pa uwi, guys. Let's go. Kita-kits susunod na video. Headwind. Ha. Oh. At least here there's no much wind unlike there in the open space. Lakas ng hangin dun. Alright, tumaba na yung video. Let's go. It's like a shed here in Levan Pelto. We have a shade. There's a rock and roll rumble on July 5, 2025. See? Rock and roll. You put it in your mouth and eat it. No. It's okay. Stop over muna kami here in Kiviniemi. Stop over. The wind is so strong. Let's go. Mapanuepe Lake. Mapanuepe Lake. Guts and determination na lang to. Kasi lakas ng hangin, guys. Malalaspag ka sa headwind. So guts and determination na lang to. Magpapauwi. 30 minutes left. Running time namin is nasa 13 to 20 kilometers per hour. So distance 15 kilometers pa. So 29 minutes before we go home. Alright, see you in the next clip, guys. Kahon. Uphill dito, rolling hills, up and down. Oh, raspag. Touchdown. Alright.